Before buying a portable all-in-one printer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about the price or the brand, it's about how these printers actually fit into your life. Product number 1, Epson EcoTank ET2800. Let's kick things off with the Epson EcoTank ET2800. This printer caught my eye with its unique cartridge-free design and a price tag of $199.99, which is a bit higher than some competitors, but it promises some serious value. If you want to save money on ink while still getting quality prints, this is worth a serious look. Instead of tiny cartridges, you get high-capacity ink tanks that can print up to 4,500 black pages or 7,500 color pages. That's like having the equivalent of 90 individual ink cartridges at your fingertips. This means you can print freely without the constant fear of running out of ink. And the print quality is impressive thanks to Epson's micro-piezo technology, ensuring sharp text and vibrant colors on any paper type. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fewer trips to the store for ink means less hassle and more time for what you love. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you won't have to worry about ink for a long time. So if you're looking for a printer that will save you time and money in the long run, this EcoTank is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a heavy printer who values low running costs. Skip this one if you need something ultra-compact for occasional use. With the savings on cartridges, it's a great value for the money. Now, if the EcoTank's price tag bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for casual users. Product number 2, HP DeskJet 2855E. Next up is the HP DeskJet 2855E, which comes in at a super affordable $49.89. This printer has been flying off the shelves with over 20,000 sales last month alone. If you want something reliable for basic home use, this is definitely worth a look. Plus, it features HP's smart AI that automatically formats your prints, so you don't waste paper on awkward layouts. It also comes with a 3-month trial of HP's Instant Ink service, which means you'll never run out of ink unexpectedly. This matters for you because it takes away the stress of having to remember to reorder ink. Now, some users mention that the print quality isn't as high as more expensive models. But I'll be real with you, for the price point, it's hard to beat. If your printing needs are basic and you're looking for value, this printer does the job without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable printer for light use. Skip this one if you need high-quality photo prints or plan to print a lot of color documents. Overall, the DeskJet offers solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, Famimo Portable Printer. The Famimo Portable Printer is next, priced at $89.99, and it's a game changer for those who love to print on the go. With a 4.3-star rating from nearly 4,000 reviews, this tiny printer is perfect for travel. If you want to print from your phone without the hassle of ink, this is definitely worth considering. This printer uses thermal technology, which means no ink is required. Instead, you just need to buy thermal paper, making it cheaper and cleaner in the long run. It pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to print documents, images, and even DIY designs straight from your pocket. Here's why this matters for you. If you're always on the move, having a light and compact printer that doesn't require messy ink changes is a huge bonus. However, some users found the initial setup to be a bit confusing. Honestly, once you get the hang of the app, it's pretty straightforward. So if you're tech-savvy or willing to troubleshoot a bit, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for students or professionals who need to print quick notes or designs anywhere. Skip this one if you need to print high-volume documents regularly, since the thermal paper limits your options. It's a unique and affordable solution for those who value portability. Now, if the Famimo's inkless design sounds appealing, wait until you hear about our next product. Product number 4, Adata Hardcase for HP OfficeJet 250. Now let's talk about the Adata Hardcase for HP OfficeJet 250, priced at $37.99. While this isn't a printer, it's essential for protecting your portable printer. If you want to keep your printer safe during travel, this is worth considering. This hard case features a soft protective lining, which helps prevent scratches and keeps your printer clean. It's lightweight and designed specifically for the HP OfficeJet 250, making it easy to carry around. Here's why this matters for you. If you're regularly transporting your printer, having a protective case can save you from costly repairs or replacements later on. Now, some might find it a bit pricey for a case, but I'll be real with you, protecting your investment is crucial, especially if you plan to use your printer on the go. This is perfect for anyone who owns the HP OfficeJet 250 and travels frequently. Skip this one if you don't have that specific model. It's a small price to pay to ensure your printer stays in top condition. Alright, that was a solid accessory. But the next printer on my list brings back the focus on printing performance. Product number 5, Brother WorkSmart 1360. Finally, we have the Brother WorkSmart 1360 available for $89.98. With over 7,000 sales last month and a solid 4-star rating, this all-in-one printer is designed for both home and home office use. If you need a reliable printer that can handle various tasks, this is definitely worth your time. It also has a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, making it easy to scan or copy multiple pages at once. With print speeds up to 16 pages per minute in black, it's built for productivity. Here's why this matters for you. If you're juggling different printing tasks, the efficiency features will save you a lot of time and effort. Some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, I found it to be a minor inconvenience compared to the convenience and speed it offers. This is perfect for busy professionals or students who need an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or only print occasionally. At this price, it's a fantastic value for what you get. So to recap, the Epson EcoTank ET2800 is fantastic for heavy users looking to save on ink, while the HP DeskJet 2855E is great for casual users on a budget. The Famimo portable printer is perfect for those who need portability without ink, and the Adada case is essential if you have the HP OfficeJet 250. Lastly, the Brother WorkSmart 1360 is a strong all-in-one solution for home offices. Now it all comes down to your specific needs, but any of these options are solid choices.